As a real English lady would say, tea and quiche, please. Today, I'm doing yet another great 6-gun grilled quiche. Let's try it out. For our quiche, I'm gonna add some eggs, some milk, some ham, some cheese, feta, spring onions, our secret ingredient, 6-gun grill, whisk it together, bake it for 35 minutes in the oven. Our crustless quiche is as easy as that. Let's rock and roll. Our eggs is cracked, and now it's time for some cream and a good, healthy helping of 6-gun. We'll give it a quick whisk. Soon as our eggs and cream is well combined, we're now going to add some ham, some cheese. I'm reserving a bit for the top. Some spring onions, some crumbled feta, now we are going to stir everything together just to mix well. I've sprayed our dish with some spray and cook. You can also butter it should you prefer. And this we will now pour into the dish. As I said, I reserved some cheese for later. This I'm just going to sprinkle on. Our mixture is prepared and our quiche will now go into the oven. I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and we will be baking it for 35 minutes. Our cooking time has gone by and our quiche is ready to come out of the oven. This is yet another great 6-gun recipe. I can't wait to begin. Magnificent, brilliant, another great 6-gun recipe.